Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this is going to be the camcorder and tripod review. Okay, so I got the camcorder. And it does not have the battery in it yet, but I was playing with it the other night, and it has night vision, which is a good thing. I can zoom in, zoom out. I can even take photos with it. So overall, it's a very good camcorder. Now, what I forgot to mention is that when you zoom all the way in, that the picture is still crystal clear, and it has good picture quality. Now, the tripod here, it's got the carrying case, which you can make it longer when you're going out videoing. Okay, here's the tripod. So this is what you do. Open it and twist. You want to twist this thing. Now this is for if you sit on a table or anything low. Now you want to take this thing right here, flip it open, and pull the leg out. That's one. And then there's a second one right here up the top of it. And you pull it all the way out and then clip it, and it's like 60 inches. But yeah, that's how tall it will be. That's how tall it's going to be. And then you take this thingy and you can lift it up, rotate it. And this thing, the cool thing about this, let me turn it this way. The cool thing about this is it's got a cranker. You can see it going up. Now, yeah, it's got a cranker. As you can see, it went up. It's going up. So it can go, that's as far as it goes up. So yeah, as you can see, it's very tall. And then you take this handle and move this thing up and down. And then when you want this thing to go back down, just go the opposite way. And it's going back down. And then you put it down to lock it. And I would definitely recommend this to people. Like you can see, it's got the handle here where you can move it easily. And I would definitely recommend the camcorder to people. Both are very good. So when you want to put the leg in, just click that button and it goes in. Goes in, and you clip it to lock it. Now you want to take this, put this in. You have to turn this just a little bit to make it go in. And there you go. That's how you close it, open it. And like I said, this is Amazon Basics. I definitely would recommend this to people. The camcorder, I would definitely recommend it to people. very good quality. But I will be doing a part 3 on this when I actually use the camcorder and the tripod. But I would definitely recommend both of them to people, even if you're just starting your YouTube channel or you're a photographer, because that camcorder can do video and photos. So I definitely recommend it, and it has night vision, so you can, if you're going out at nighttime, recording a video or challenge or something, it has night vision. I definitely recommend it. But anyway, guys, this is the end of the video. If you have not checked out when I unboxed it, please check it out. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love y'all. Be humble.